7:30 and the club is
jumping, jumping.
I ain't thinking about my man tonight. I ain't thinking about my man tonight. I ain't thinking.
I love you, I love you.
That's why they need me out to pay what you expect. We got a lot of fun and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know. Can't go 50-50 with no. Every month I'm supposed to pay a bill.
Are backing up. So basically, wait, the light. We're gonna put the light right here. I didn't get my car thing yet. Whatever, this is fine. I don't need no spectacular lighting in here. Okay, I didn't get my car thing yet, but I don't know if I should give you guys a car tour right now while I have the car. Okay, I'm gonna just a quick car tour, guys. I'm not gonna do a for one, but this is my steering wheel. I love this right here. It's like the contrast. I decided to pick the car that doesn't have CarPlay because I just like the interior way too much, and so I picked this one instead of the one with CarPlay, but I really could care less. It's cream. I love here glove compartment. Obviously there's nothing in there. I have a sunroof, and then the back is just, the lighting's really bad, the back and all that stuff. So I have an upper one, then I have a lower one. It's real simple, like it's nothing crazy. I love it though, my baby. But now I'm going to show you guys, because it finally came, my keychain. You know, I had to get that off-white keychain. It looks so cute. It came with like those zip tie, and it came with like these cute little charms. Like, this is so cute. It literally says I want you. This is so freaking cute. It has like a light bulb and this little thing right here. I could die right now because of how cute this is. Something for my keys. Oh my god, this is to die for. But like a dead ass driver now. I gotta take a picture. Wait, I did have to take a picture, like, because I didn't post this on my Instagram or nothing yet, y'all. I didn't post it nowhere. So I will see you guys later. A bitch is hot. A bitch needs to get out her car, because I feel like bitch, this ain't no Vaseline on my face. Well, it is, but like still, a bitch is hot. Let me get my light. A bitch is hot. Like, for this shit ain't no joke. Ooh, that breeze feels so good. Okay, good morning guys. So it's 11:20. My hair appointment is at 12 o'clock, and yesterday I went and got my hair washed and blow dried by the Dominicans, because like my hair is just too much to maintain, and so I went right over there. Hold on. So guys, yeah, I went and got like a nice little Dominican blowout, because my hair is just too much to maintain. And also, we're about to go to my appointment now, but they definitely like dragged it with the blow dry. Like, they didn't just like regularly blow dry it. They like made that shit straight. But it's okay. She should still be able to braid it anyways. So we're just gonna leave it out in a little thingy in the back. Let's give him the slick back with it. No, this looks poofy. I'm gonna do it higher. But yeah, I'm so excited for my hair appointment, guys. Like, this is, I really always wanted to do color, and I never have. So this is like really a big stepping stone for me. But I'm turning 19 and I just feel like I need to step out of the box and start doing different hairstyles. Like, I can't just keep doing a black, like, you know, I gotta do different shit. Alright, this is exactly how my hair is gonna go today. Not even today, I'm literally going to my hair appointment right now. Okay, this spinach, mad retarded, just wrapping around. And all this hair is left out, but I don't care. Like, I just don't care at this point. I'm going right into my hair appointment. So just follow them. I just have on my black Skims top with these H&M shorts, the same ones I had on yesterday. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but yeah, same ones I had on yesterday. So cute and comfy, and yeah, period. And so let's put some lotion on my face. All right, Mom, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. It's hot. Like, it's so hot outside. It's not nothing to play with out here. Let me make sure. Let me put in the correct address. Say hi, Mom. On our way. I didn't even show you my hair, like, for real, but like, I love it so much. Y'all see me? I'm right outside my room. I love it so much. I have like a little fishtail braid and stuff, and like the bun. It's kind of like dropping out, but I'm gonna fix it more like tomorrow. But I'm about to do my nails. I'm super excited, and I have a real simple outfit. I'm gonna show y'all. Jeans. Wait, you can't even see. I hate how like dark it is out here. Where's the sun? Shirt, Zara. Shorts, American Eagle. Slippers, Off-White. Bag, MCM. And then I have my iPad because I'm gonna do some editing there. My tripod because I'm gonna record my nails, and my camera. So I want to call my Uber now. Adrian takes forever. Like, I'm so happy I know this bitch because she took my some. Yeah, the 502 train sounds good. Y'all, I'm catching the 548 train. Like, I knew she would not be there. Y'all, I'm in Adrian's shop and Adrian's not here. Make it make sense. Yeah, I did am. Like, make it make sense. Like, sis, where are you? Am I the nail tech? Like, he definitely. Oh, now. Wait, is your mom here? Oh, now bitches wanna come to the shop. Because I want my sister Vicky to be like, there she got a party now.
Hey, how y'all doing? Look how my hair is.
about to say, bitches doing their hair instead of being in the shop.
Hair dig, got my old pancakes and looking like Betty Bob.
Damn fruits.
Yeah.
Doing nails.
Did you see it, Mom?
Okay guys, so that was me doing my nails. That bitch activated. Like, it's really no other way to go about it. If you're not doing long nails, what are you doing with your life? Like, it's a bad bitch genre, for real. Like, the girls that get it really get it. And so yeah, my nails are so beautiful. Shout out to my bestie. Love you, sis. But I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, I'm about to shower right now and then go to sleep and stuff. And then tomorrow I'm doing my makeup. Tomorrow's my dinner, so my makeup and all that stuff. And we're going out to dinner, take pictures, look cute, smoke some hookah. So y'all gonna see all that too, because I told y'all I got y'all. Like, I'm giving y'all, oh shit, I turned off the light. I'm giving y'all fire content only, like, period. Like, I told y'all I was not fucking around. So yes, go follow me on my Instagram at keepingupwithk to see those pictures, and follow me on TikTok at LifewithKianah to see my birthday TikToks also, because I'm making some birthday TikToks that I'm about to post. So period. Like, and if you're not booking clothes by Adri, Styling Bella, and thelashlab.co, what are you doing? Because those are the people that do my hair, nails, and lashes. So yeah guys, see you tomorrow. Deuces. Oh, and I also have to make a flower bouquet because I kind of want to take pictures with like some white roses, but I can't find nowhere to get some, so I might as well just like buy white flowers and put them all together, you know. I can't find an actual bouquet place, so I probably, like, y'all gonna see that tomorrow. I'm gonna figure something out tomorrow, and I have to start packing because I leave on Sunday. Like, what's the tea, y'all? I leave on Sunday. Summer concert is on Saturday. Dinner's on Friday. Like, a bitch is out of here. Like, it's so, it's just too much. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Okay, bye. Alright y'all see the makeup. The eyebrows are definitely a little long, which was my, like, fear, I guess, because everybody that does my makeup, they do my eyebrows really fucking long because they just don't know how to, like, not do them long. If I was doing my makeup and I had my eyebrows, I do them like this too. So it's really just like a thing that only I know how to do and stuff, but I'm feeling it. I got some cute pictures. Like, them pictures are getting posted on my page. So honestly, y'all, just stay tuned for the outfit tonight and the pictures. I feel like it's gonna look so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get home because this heat is fucking me up. Like, I'm hot as fuck right now. Okay y'all, so while I have y'all here, I want to show y'all this cute ass set that I got from Amazon. Like, let me put the camera up somewhere so y'all can see, because it just came. It's so cute. It looks so good on me. I'm not gonna show y'all my ass though because my underwear is like scrunched all the way up, but I will tell y'all this is not like the set I thought it would be. It's not regular leggings. It's kind of like athletic wear, and it has the cutouts around your butt and a ruched line in the middle, so it definitely is going to draw more attention to your ass. But if that's okay with you, then that's fine. I don't need any more attention to my body than I already get, so I probably won't be wearing like it like this, or like if I do wear it like this, it'll be like at night, you know. Like, I plan on wearing these to like football practices and stuff like that, which is definitely not happening. Probably just gonna end up wearing the top, but the top, it has 2 zippers, but I think it's just so cute. Like, And I also said I want to start wearing more sets this year. And also, I feel like this is a great start. And I'm going to link it in my Amazon storefront, and the link will be down below in my description bar. So get it if you want it. And I'm going to get it in brown and show you guys that also. Because I feel like the brown, it might be better for the lines. But I feel like because this is just yellow and stuff, it's just like showing a lot. Like, and I don't need my entire everything out for the football boys to be like, oh yeah, she's trying to, like, you see what I'm saying, yo? So yeah, guys, but it's so cute. I love the top. Like, the top is actually will be getting worn 24/7, okay? Ain't no doubt about it. But yeah, I'm about to go put this right in my Amazon storefront, so by the time you guys see this video, it will already be in the storefront, okay? So I will see you guys when I'm like getting dressed and stuff, or like in the car ride to the restaurant.
Light camera ahead.
Hold on, it's for my vlog. Now you can feel like this is one of the this is one of the fancy restaurants that actually have good food, right? Like, this shit is crap right now. Everybody knows, like, I thought that was the plan.
One, two, three.
Oh my god, you're an icon. Happy birthday.
It's her. Big Leo. She giving big Leo energy. Happy birthday to my best friend.
Damn.
Like,
The Uber is $80.
that's not bad.
It's not.
If we all split it,
I mean,
that's bad.
but
But
how much
XL?
of us? It's 6 of us. Oh, I didn't look at that. Oh yeah.
Shit it.
Oh, it's only 80 cents. It's only $6. Hey, do it again. But zoom in and only get my lips.
I would like this.
No, I like this light.
No, I like this one.
I like this light. It
You
doesn't
know,
make you look orange.
I like that. I want
I
to
hate
look
that
warm.
shit.
Like,
No, I want to look beat. He wanna fuck. Oh my god, my whole ass is out. I'm probably just like standing right there.
welcome back to, you know, just me. So now in the car.
Are you even? What are you even gonna do with this?
Nothing.